Hello.
Hey, Sammy. What is this?
Package.
A package came again?
Yeah.
Okay, is it big?
Yeah.
Quite big. Yes. And what is inside?
I know.
You don't know? But we're going to check inside and see what we got there, yeah?
It's
Of course.
open.
Of course, we have to check it.
It's open.
I think right now. Red box? Maybe. Maybe.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah, another one. What is this? English royalty?
What is this? What this?
What does that mean? Okay, Sunny, let's see inside what you can find there. Is there a tea?
Oh.
What? Oh! What is this? Kinder Surprise for change?
Yeah, time.
Ooh! Kinder Surprise planes or something. That's nice.
Yeah. That's nice.
Something special edition. What is this?
That's it.
An egg?
Yeah. Oh, I know this.
Uh-oh. Milka egg? Oh, we have to check it out.
Yeah. Oh, that's killer egg.
Yeah, let's take the old stuff from inside and we'll see what we got there, huh?
Look, a lot of fish, man.
A lot of sheeps?
Yeah.
Easter edition sheeps?
Yeah, killer surprise.
Okay, that's all, that's all. You like the sound, Sammy?
Yeah. Look at it.
Nice, you are strong. Okay, let's take a look what we got. Mostly Kinder Surprise Airbus Sounder Edition, kind of two types. You see blue one and yellow one. I don't know if there are different types of planes, but we will check it. We have some sheeps.
Yeah, I love
A lot of them. One Milka egg. Okay. Sheeps are of course Easter edition from Kinder, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's two types of Kinder Surprise planes. Here are Turkish Airlines Airbus, and this one is Lufthansa. Okay, and let's see here. Okay, that's the planes we have in this one.
Weapon.
Asia Airlines, Lufthansa, Turkish Airbus. Okay. And in this one, yeah, actually, I think the same. Looks like. Anyway, we're going to check it. Okay, Sammy, so which one would you like to open? This one? Okay, we'll open one and we'll see the collection.
That's collection.
That's collection, yes. 4 of the planes. Ooh, and we have 4 eggs.
Yeah.
I think there will be 4 planes. In each egg will be a plane.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Oh, candy.
You have a card?
Good.
Oh, there is a card. That's interesting. It is actually not a card, it's more like a flyer. You can find some stuff like a factory or something. An engine.
I know this.
Yeah. Some descriptions, but in German language, so I'm not able to read it even. But it's cool, I guess.
Yeah, let's open it.
Let's open the eggs, yeah? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sam, you think we're going to find 4 planes?
I know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
We're gonna check it out, yeah? I hope there will be 4 planes. It will be a nice collection, I think.
Yeah. Next. Oh. 4 yellow.
Ooh, 4 yellow ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy to open sometimes.
Oh. Animal.
An animal?
Yeah.
So there won't be.
That's human animal. That's
So how many planes we gonna find? 2?
T.
What is going on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just checked the box and they said probably 4 eggs, 2 models, something guaranteed. Okay. Okay, we have an animal. Australian, I think, again.
That's human.
New one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pain.
A plane?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, nice.
There, look. Ah. That's pain.
Yeah, here we have a plane. Let's try to put it together. Lufthansa one. Here we have a kind of body, and now we put wings.
No.
Okay, 1 wing,
Another wing.
another wing, yeah. And that's our plane. Yeah. And here we have kind of a stand for it. I think it's cool. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, Sammy's going to open another egg. What is this? What you got there? Another plane?
No.
No? Ah, something to play outside, I think. Yep.
Yeah. Ah.
No?
Yes.
This kind of stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the stuff. And that's the stuff.
Ah.
Yeah, you put it something like this. And here we putting this stuff right there, and that's the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay? You just play, you can kick and throw whatever you want with this. Yeah, that's the flyer. Okay? Yeah, we just forgot to put a sticker on the stand.
No. Oh.
The next egg?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, pain.
A plane! Another one!
Oh, that's colors. Oh, look.
Okay.
Colors here.
Nice, there is a color. Red one actually.
Oh.
Oh, well done, Sammy. That's the flyer. And we have in this one Asiana Airlines. Yeah, Airbus as well. They are all Airbus. We're going to put the wings. Okay. And the stand. Right?
Yeah.
So we have 2 of them now. Ah, where is the sticker? And let's put it on. Okay, and Sammy wants to open Milka egg as well to check what is inside. Is there any surprise or just some sweets or what we can find there?
Oh, chocolate.
A chocolate egg, of course.
Oh. Oh.
What? Is there anything? Okay.
That's that.
Something like small chocolates.
Yeah.
Check the toys again. That's the kind of throwing, kicking stuff. That's an animal from Kinder Surprise. And 2 airplanes models. They are cool, I think. Yeah? You like them, Sammy?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that would be it for today. I think the planes are nice. We had some fun. Okay, Sammy's gone, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you on the YouTube.
Yeah, stay in touch. And thumbs up.
You can.